All right, guys, great weather here. Lots of sun, can hardly see. And we're about to do day number 5 workout. Well, Chase and I are on day 5. Mom's on day 2. Mom needs to catch up. You've got to get these 27 workouts done in 3 per week for 4 to 9 weeks. If you don't do that, you won't have the results. If you do all 27 workouts and you're only doing like 1 a week, you're never going to make any progress. You've got to do these 27 workouts, 1 every other day. That would be 3 a week. Or you can do 4, 5, or 6 a week, no more than 6. Chase and I are aiming for 6, but today Chase, because he can't keep up with me, he's using rollerblades. Okay? But today is day 5, which means it's the exact same workout as yesterday, which means it's a 31-minute workout. You're going to walk for 5 minutes to warm up. Then you're going to run, slow jog is what I do, but you're gonna run for 1.5 minutes. Then you're gonna walk for 2 minutes. 1.5 minute run, 2-minute walk, repeated 6 times, and then a 5-minute cool down, which is just a walk. You got anything to say, Mama?
Wish me luck.
Got anything to say, Chase?
You can do this.
You can do this. I don't know if you can hear him because he's facing the wrong way. But let's get started. We're gonna do our 5-minute warm up. Remember to start your Nike Run app to track your run, and also start your interval timer. I showed you exactly yesterday and on the very first video how to set up your interval timer. So if you need to, go watch that again to set up your interval timer. But we're gonna go. All right, we are done with day 5. You see how this is working? It's really simple, okay? I didn't record much during the run, but you saw yesterday's where I walked you through it in more detail. But it's really simple. Every workout and every week, we just add a little bit of more running and a little less walking. And we keep these workouts right around 30 minutes so that you don't have an excuse of I don't have time to not do them. So just do the work. Here's the tip of the day. It's called the 5-second rule. When you don't want to do this, when you don't want to run, what you do is you give yourself a 5-second countdown out loud. Rather than sitting there and thinking for now it's my cool down. Rather than sitting there and thinking for minutes or even hours, oh, should I run? Do I have time to run? It's cold outside, and all that negative stuff that gets you to it. Instead of that, just give yourself a 5-second countdown out loud. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then move. And you say it out loud, and it's important that you move as soon as you get to 0. That's all it takes, okay? And when you get to 0, you move, you put your shoes on, you put your warm clothes on, you walk out the door, and you get your run in. And tomorrow's gonna be the same workout, okay? Or if you're giving yourself a day off, it'll be your next workout, workout number 6. It's gonna be just like today. So if you're just getting started, again, you're gonna do a 1 minute or a 5-minute warm-up walk, a 1.5 minute run, 2-minute walk 6 times, and then a 5-minute cool down. I'm on my cool down right now. So make sure you're a part of this program. If you haven't done it yet, click on the video that's on the screen now and go watch the introduction to this how to run overweight and out of shape. I'm getting snow thrown at me. And click on the video for tomorrow's workout. Or if you need to go ahead and go back to yesterday's workout, click on that video. Or go to the playlist for the entire thing. Okay, have a great day.